just got another package today, so let's unbox it. Adjustable blade clipper, really lightweight. I don't think it will last long. The guards, yes, with and a little brush, the manual, and here comes the I hope it's really good, like the model 2010. It's tiny, slim. I really prefer USB. It's the on and off switch. I like it when it clicks. See that? Shine your battery percentage. You know, let on it. You hear that? It's 100%. I love it. The blade look a little bit smaller. 1, 2, 3. Just 3. 1, 2, 3. Just 3. It's 2 less. And it's not zero gap. See? You see that? It's so cute too. It feels good. Slim, not rod bust. It's good, bro. I guess it's okay. I guess so. I guess so. Same level, right? That's it. This is it to unbox it official. And turning back, the first one doesn't really work from the second one, and that's an error. I don't know. It looks good. It really feels good on my hand, but I really need that clicks. And once again, if you know you like my video, subscribe, press the bell button. I'm out.